If you've typed in "how long will my K-1 visa process take" into Google, then you deserve an honest answer. And trust me, I know that the answer to this question really impacts the decisions that you make around your relationship, your marriage, and how you're going to get to the United States. So let's get into it. The first step, the I-129F petition, is typically taking these days around 8 to 10 months. So once that's approved, you'll move on to step 2. Step 2 is the NVC processing. This is simply a transfer phase. They don't do any particular review. You don't need to submit any more documentation at this point. It's just transferring your case to the embassy. This part takes about 2 to 4 months, depending on the NVC backlog at the time. Then step 3 is scheduling and attending the interview at the embassy where your fiancé is residing. It can take about 2 to 4 months also to schedule this interview, and it's very country specific how long it's going to take to get it scheduled, as some embassies are very backlogged and some are not. And ultimately, there are restrictions that the government can put into place at different times that can impact these timelines or when the visa actually gets issued. But overall, for a case where there is no country-specific restriction, either at USCIS or with the Department of State at the embassy, the typical timeline is looking around 1 year to 1.5 years to process this application from start to finish. Then once you get that stamp in your passport, or your fiancé gets the stamp in the passport, and they can travel to the United States, it's going to take more time to process the actual green card once they arrive and submit that next application. So keep that in mind as well. I am Liechty, I'm an immigration attorney, and I love walking international couples through this process. So please reach out for a consultation if you'd like more information. Bye.